Hi guys, your girl Constance, and we're back with another video. So guys, on today's video, we're going to be making a red velvet cake. A red velvet cake. It's our first trial, so we decided to share it with you guys the recipe and all. I put down the ingredients for making this cake. Like, it will not be hard for you guys in case you guys want to make this cake. The good person I am. As pro, yeah. Yeah, we had to put it down because we don't want you to stress yourself. So yeah, we're going to name the ingredients. So yeah, the cake is going to be made by us. So listen and be blessed. I be wash and be blessed. So we're going to start out with our baking, with our pan of the day. This is going to be the rubber. We should suffer all the ingredients. So I'm going to just bring the ingredients to the table if you guys don't mind. Because this one is here that you're packing here. Right now the cake is currently in the oven, and I'm going to go show you guys the end result, so you guys will stick around for that. That will be the next clip, and I'm constantly checking on it, and I'm sure the cake will be ready any moment for now. So yeah, see you later. So you take your own.
Who wants this?
Take one. Is it tasty?
What? Sweet.
Say bye. Bye.